The KLASSEN Range Rover Limousine is a stunning blend of luxury, security, and sophistication, designed for those who demand the best. This stretched masterpiece extends the iconic Range Rover, offering a spacious and opulent interior equipped with premium leather seating, advanced entertainment systems, and ambient lighting. What sets it apart is its VR8 level ballistic protection, making it not only a symbol of luxury but also a fortress on wheels, capable of withstanding high-caliber bullets. With its powerful engine and state-of-the-art technology, the KLASSEN Range Rover Limousine delivers an unparalleled combination of elegance, safety, and performance, redefining the standards of luxury travel. This limousine, equipped with VR8 level ballistic protection, is priced at approximately €750,000, around $800,000. However, prices can vary depending on the level of customization and features. Porsche Panamera Limousine. The Porsche Panamera Limousine is an extraordinary blend of sports car performance and high-end luxury, tailored for those who crave exclusivity and style. Extending the sleek and dynamic design of the iconic Panamera, this stretch limousine offers a stunning presence on the road while maintaining Porsche's signature elegance and engineering excellence. Its interior is a haven of opulence, equipped with premium leather seating, cutting-edge entertainment systems, mood lighting, and a minibar, ensuring a luxurious and comfortable experience for its passengers. With its powerful engine and advanced technology, the Porsche Panamera Limousine delivers not only unmatched sophistication but also an exhilarating ride, setting a new benchmark for luxury limousines. Standard Porsche Panamera models start at around $102,800 and can go up to $226,500 or more for high-end versions. The Hummer H2 Limousine is a symbol of extravagance, designed to turn every journey into an unforgettable experience. With its elongated body and strikingly bold design, this limousine combines the rugged strength of the classic Hummer H2 with the sophistication and glamour of a luxury vehicle. Its lavishly crafted interiors are nothing short of spectacular, often featuring plush leather seating, vibrant neon lighting, high-tech entertainment systems, and fully equipped minibars to keep the party going on wheels. Whether it's cruising through the city or making a grand entrance at a special event, this limo guarantees heads will turn and cameras will flash. Ideal for weddings, proms, or any high-profile occasion, the Hummer H2 Limousine is more than just a mode of transportation. It's a statement of opulence and style that ensures its passengers are the center of attention. The KLASSEN Mercedes V-Class Limousine is a luxurious and versatile masterpiece, designed to provide an unparalleled travel experience. This elegant vehicle combines the sophistication of a high-end limousine with the practicality of a spacious van, making it perfect for business professionals, VIPs, or families seeking comfort and style. Its meticulously crafted interior features premium leather seating, advanced entertainment systems, ambient lighting, and even folding tables for added convenience. With its powerful engine, state-of-the-art technology, and optional VR8 level ballistic protection, the KLASSEN Mercedes V-Class Limousine ensures a smooth, secure, and opulent journey, setting a new standard in luxury transportation. For instance, a luxury VIP version of the V-Class is listed at approximately €249,900, around $270,000, while other models with additional features or ballistic protection may cost more. The Lamborghini Aventador Limo is the perfect fusion of breathtaking power and ultimate luxury, designed to leave a lasting impression. This extravagant stretch limousine takes the iconic supercar to a whole new level, offering the sleek, aggressive design of the Aventador paired with the elegance and spaciousness of a limo. Inside, you'll find a world of opulence, often featuring premium leather seating, advanced entertainment systems, LED lighting, and even amenities like minibars and multimedia displays. With its roaring V12 engine and unmistakable style, the Lamborghini Aventador Limo guarantees not just a thrilling ride but also a statement of unparalleled sophistication. Whether you're arriving at a red carpet event or hosting an unforgettable night out, this unique limousine is a true masterpiece of design and performance. However, considering the base Lamborghini Aventador models range from $417,650 to over $600,000 depending on the edition, the limousine version would likely cost significantly more due to its bespoke modifications and exclusivity. The Ferrari 360 Modena Stretch Limousine is an extraordinary fusion of sports car performance and luxury limousine comfort. This one-of-a-kind masterpiece transforms the iconic Ferrari 360 Modena into a stretched marvel, complete with its sleek, aerodynamic lines and high-performance pedigree. Inside, it offers opulent interiors featuring plush seating, a minibar, ambient lighting, and advanced entertainment systems, making it a rolling VIP lounge. Retaining the heart of a Ferrari, it boasts a powerful V8 engine, ensuring it doesn't just look incredible but also delivers an exhilarating ride. This stunning creation redefines extravagance and exclusivity in the world of luxury vehicles. Cost around £200,000, approximately $244,588 at the time, to create. If you're looking to rent or purchase one, prices will depend on the specific model and its features. The Rolls-Royce Phantom Stretch Limousine is the ultimate symbol of luxury, elegance, and sophistication. This majestic creation takes the already prestigious Rolls-Royce Phantom and extends it into an opulent stretch limousine, perfect for those who demand exclusivity and grandeur. Featuring a timeless design, it boasts a lavish interior fitted with plush leather seating, advanced entertainment systems, a minibar, and ambient lighting, offering passengers a first-class experience. Powered by a robust engine, it ensures a smooth and serene ride, perfectly blending performance with unparalleled comfort. The Rolls-Royce Phantom Stretch Limousine is truly a masterpiece of automotive craftsmanship. Rolls-Royce Phantom Limousine was listed for around $110,000. The Mercedes-Maybach S 600 Pullman is the epitome of luxury and exclusivity, designed for those who demand the finest in automotive craftsmanship. This ultra-luxurious limousine stretches over 21 feet, offering unparalleled space and comfort for its passengers. Inside, it features a lavish cabin with premium leather seating, a state-of-the-art entertainment system, and a partition for privacy, ensuring a first-class experience. Powered by a robust 6.0-liter V12 engine, it delivers both smooth performance and a commanding presence on the road. The Mercedes-Maybach S 600 Pullman redefines opulence, making it the ultimate choice for dignitaries, royalty, and those who appreciate the pinnacle of luxury travel. For instance, one model was listed for approximately €759,931, around $800,000, while another pre-owned version was priced at $374,922. The Tesla Model S Plaid is a groundbreaking electric vehicle that redefines speed, luxury, and innovation in the automotive world. With its futuristic design and cutting-edge technology, the Model S Plaid delivers a jaw-dropping performance, boasting a tri-motor setup that produces over 1,020 horsepower and accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.99 seconds, making it one of the fastest cars in production. Inside, the minimalist yet luxurious cabin features a 17-inch cinematic display, a yoke-style steering wheel, and premium seating for ultimate comfort. Packed with advanced features like Tesla's autopilot and an impressive range of over 396 miles per charge, the Tesla Model S Plaid stands as a true marvel of engineering, appealing to those who demand both sustainability and adrenaline-pumping performance in a sleek package. The Tesla Model S Plaid starts at approximately $94,990 for the base model, while the high-performance version is priced at around $119,000. These prices may vary depending on location, taxes, and additional features or upgrades. The Bentley Continental GT is a stunning blend of luxury, performance, and craftsmanship, setting the standard for grand tours. Its sleek, aerodynamic design is both timeless and modern, featuring a distinctive grille, bold lines, and striking LED headlights. Inside, the handcrafted interior is a masterpiece of elegance, with premium leather, rich wood veneers, and state-of-the-art technology offering a perfect balance of comfort and innovation. Powered by a choice of a thrilling W12 or dynamic V8 engine, the Continental GT delivers effortless acceleration and a smooth, exhilarating ride. Whether cruising long distances or making a statement in the city, this car embodies prestige, power, and unparalleled refinement. Bugatti Chiron. The Bugatti Chiron Per Sport is the epitome of precision engineering and exhilarating performance, designed for enthusiasts who crave an uncompromising driving experience. Boasting an 8.0-liter quad-turbo W16 engine that churns out a jaw-dropping 1,500 horsepower, the Per Sport is more agile and track-focused compared to its siblings. Its innovative aerodynamics, lightweight materials, and reworked gearbox make for sharper handling and faster acceleration, while its aggressive design demands attention. From the custom Michelin tires to the finely tuned suspension, every detail is crafted for maximum thrill and control. The Chiron Per Sport isn't just a car, it's an adrenaline-fueled masterpiece. Audi Aicon. The Audi Aicon concept is a revolutionary glimpse into the future of luxury mobility, combining cutting-edge technology with sustainability. The Rolls-Royce Ghost is a masterpiece of luxury, combining timeless elegance with modern innovation to create an unparalleled driving experience. Its iconic design exudes a sense of understated sophistication, with flowing lines, the spirit of ecstasy adorning the hood, and a signature illuminated grille that commands attention. Step inside, and you're greeted by an opulent cabin, crafted with the finest materials, from hand-stitched leather to exquisite wood veneers, all meticulously tailored to perfection. Advanced technology seamlessly integrates with the Ghost's classic charm, featuring a cutting-edge infotainment system and an array of driver assistance features to enhance comfort and safety. Beneath the hood lies a powerful yet whisper-quiet V12 engine, delivering effortless performance and a ride so smooth it feels like gliding on air. The Rolls-Royce Ghost is more than just a luxury sedan. It's a symbol of prestige, exclusivity, and artistry, offering those who own it a driving experience like no other. The 2024 Genesis G90 sets a new benchmark for luxury sedans with its striking design, state-of-the-art features, and exceptional comfort. This flagship model boasts a sophisticated exterior, seamlessly blending elegance and modernity, while its meticulously crafted interior offers premium materials and cutting-edge technology. From its advanced driver assistance systems to its smooth and refined performance, the G90 promises an unparalleled driving experience. It's a perfect choice for those who value luxury, innovation, and style in every detail. The 2024 Genesis G90 has a starting price range of $89,200 to $99,500, depending on the trim level and features. The Rolls-Royce Spectre is an extraordinary milestone, ushering in a new era as the brand's first fully electric vehicle while remaining true to its legacy of opulence and innovation. This ultra-luxurious Grand Tourer redefines sustainability with its cutting-edge electric drivetrain, delivering effortless performance, unmatched refinement, and a near-silent driving experience. From its iconic illuminated grille and sleek, aerodynamic silhouette to its meticulously handcrafted interior, every detail of the Spectre exudes sophistication and timeless elegance. Inside, the cabin offers a serene sanctuary featuring bespoke materials, advanced digital architecture, and immersive ambient lighting, all tailored to the highest standards of personalization. The Spectre is a seamless blend of heritage and innovation, embodying the future of luxury motoring by embracing electrification without compromising on the unparalleled quality and grandeur that Rolls-Royce is celebrated for. The Bentley Flying Spur is the pinnacle of luxury and performance, embodying the perfect blend of elegance, craftsmanship, and cutting-edge technology. As a stunning Grand Tourer, it features a sleek, timeless design complemented by a handcrafted interior that exudes sophistication, with premium leather, intricate wood veneers, and state-of-the-art technology at every turn. Beneath its refined exterior lies powerful engine options, such as a twin-turbo V8 or W12, delivering an exhilarating yet smooth driving experience. The Flying Spur is more than just a car, it's a statement of prestige and excellence, making every journey unforgettable, whether you're behind the wheel or indulging in the comfort of the rear seats. Perfect for those who demand the finest in both style and performance, the Bentley Flying Spur stands as a testament to automotive luxury at its best. The Bentley Flying Spur's price in the US typically starts at around $214,900 and can go up to $324,700, depending on the trim level and additional customizations. Mercedes-Benz F015. The Mercedes-Benz F015 Luxury in Motion is a groundbreaking concept car that redefines the future of mobility with its autonomous driving capabilities and cutting-edge design. Showcasing a sleek, futuristic exterior, the F015 is more than just a car, it's a luxurious mobile living space. Its spacious interior features swiveling seats, touch screens, and interactive displays, creating a seamless connection between passengers and technology. Powered by a hydrogen fuel cell system, it embodies sustainability while offering a glimpse into a world where vehicles are both eco-friendly and self-driving. The F015 is Mercedes-Benz's bold vision of tomorrow's transportation. As it is not a production vehicle, Mercedes-Benz has not assigned it a price.